Okay, ready? See? He's like, none of that nonsense.
His bark is much louder than hers for sure. Deeper and louder.
He's got a big barrely chest. See, I don't think that she's got anything that requires surgery, or she wouldn't be doing this.
No, there's nothing sickly about her.
If it's just an overactive gut, don't let them spend your money. If that's what it is, she doesn't have the runs.
For like 25 years. I love him. I don't think he would do that to me. He's been pretty good.
Oh, that's good.
Hi, Pumpkin. Hi,
What's
Pumpkin.
it?
Hi, Pumpkin.
Fergus. Come on. Zoopy. Come on, Mr. Zoopy. Come on, Mr. Zoopy. You gonna come play? I got Elsie. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. All teeth. Look at those big chompers. Yes.
She plays